Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another lead code 463 island parameter, an easy one. You are given a row column grid representing a map where grid I at j is equal to 1 represents a land, and grid I at j, if it is equal to 0, will represent water. Grid cells are connected horizontally and vertically, not diagonally. The grid is completely surrounding by water. There is exactly one island. Um, there are no more connected land cells. Okay, so this is a very important problem and a very you can say a light problem to understand the concept of maps and grids. And let's see, so we have one, this is our input. So at 0 0 we have a water, so 0 will be representing a water and 1 will be representing a land. This is just a 2D grid, a list of a list, you can say. And we have an island like this will be representing 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we have to return the parameter. So the length of each side, they have told us like uh, the length of one cell square is the length of one on each side. So the parameter of a square box will be 4, and each side is one uh, length, you can say. So we have to return the outer portion of this whole island. So that's it. What we can do is, in a good case, a square should have a parameter of 4, and in a case where it does have its either a box below it, a land portion below it, or on the side, we are going to subtract it by 2, the resultant. Why? Because the one parameter is cancelling out of itself, and the one is for the other self because other land portion. So we'll be subtracting it by 2, and then we will be just returning the result, and that's it. This should work. So let's get started. So starting from our base condition, you can say, so if length of grid, if the grid itself is, if not grid, so just get started with saying if there is a not grid, or the length of grid is zero, or the length of grid at 0 is equal to 0, we will just return 0. Okay, so now we will be making our result variable for I in range of length of grid, and again for our columns, for j in range range of length of grid at 0. What we will be doing is checking if grade at I and at a certain point j is equal to I is equal to 1, then we will increase our result by 4. And now we will check if I is greater than 0, and and grade, we want to check the upper i's for the rows, so we'll be checking the upper portion. If I at I minus j is equal to 1, we will just not return but result subtracted by 2, and do the same with the j if j is greater than 0. And this is just for the case where if we do not want to go out of bounds. What if j is already 0? We do not want to just go out of bounds, so that's it. So in this case we will be going up and down. So j minus 1, because j is handling the columns, and if it is equal to 1, we can just result and subtract it by 2. And after doing all of this, we can just return result. So that's it. Let's see if this works or not. This works, and let's submit it. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments, and that's it.